In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the domain name servers in Godaddy. If you're looking to point your domain to a new hosting provider or switch your DNS settings for enhanced performance, this process is a crucial skill to have under your belt. So, let's dive into it step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Godaddy website. Once there, look towards the upper right corner where you'll see a sign in button. Click on that to access your account. Enter your credentials and log in. Once you're logged in, look for the My Products tab, which you can usually find in the top navigation menu. Click on it, and it will take you to a list of all your domain names and other products associated with your Godaddy account. Identify the domain name for which you want to change the name servers. To the right of this domain name, you'll see a DNS button or a Manage button, depending on the current Godaddy interface. Click on it to get into the DNS management section for this particular domain. When you've entered the DNS management panel, you'll notice a section specifically for name servers. It might say default, custom, or something else if you've previously made changes. At this point, look for the option that says change or something similar. Click on it, and you'll see an option to either stick with Godaddy's default name servers or enter custom ones. If you're switching to new DNS settings, choose the custom option. Here is where you input the new name servers given by your hosting provider or DNS manager. It's so important to type these in accurately. A small error can lead to issues with your domain working properly, so double-check each character. Typically, you'll enter at least 2 name servers, but depending on your service provider, you might have more. Once you've carefully input the new name servers, hit the Save button. Now, this is where a bit of patience is required. Domain name server changes don't happen instantaneously. These updates can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to propagate across the internet. So, if you don't see the changes immediately, don't worry. It's a normal part of the process. During this time, it might be a good idea to clear your web browser's cache or test your domain from a different network to see if the changes have taken effect. And there you have it, a complete guide to changing your domain name servers in Godaddy. This task is an essential part of managing your online presence, and now you're equipped with the knowledge to do it confidently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for you.